This is how I was able to store my breast milk without a refrigerator while I was at a wedding. This was my first time stepping out of the house since giving birth, so I packed all of my pumping essentials, had a little pump session while I was getting ready for the wedding, remember to bring my little nursing pads because leaking in a light colored dress wouldn't be cute. Put the pumped milk in the mini fridge in our room, and here's my man helping me out with my jewelry. I put my bobble bottle cooler and warmer and my Willow Go breast pumps in my bag, and we were off to the venue. It was such a beautiful wedding and we loved being able to celebrate our friends. After the ceremony, I was definitely feeling super full, so I stepped away for a pump session. We didn't have access to a fridge, so I poured my milk into the baba, turned on the cool setting, and voila, my milk was chilling for literally 5 hours while I went back to the wedding activities. So easy. When I got back to the room, I transferred the milk to a bottle, and sure enough, it was cold like it was in the fridge the whole time. I was so impressed. This made storing my milk while I was out and about so easy and definitely gave me the confidence to pump on the go in the future.